So I am so excited to share this garden bed. Spring is almost here and it's my favorite time of the year. And I am so excited that the company sent this out to me because I love having such a beautiful little garden bed to be able to put anywhere around my house so that it's easy to get to. And here's a few reasons why I really like this one. Number one, it like the height of it, like when you're gardening, like having to bend over it's so much work. Trying to bend over is back breaking, so having something out here at your height is really nice. It's powder coated steel, so this is going to last. It's not going to rust out on you. And another thing here is it's got these drainage holes, and if you can see, everything kind of leans in to the center. It's angled so that the water goes through to the center here. So that is really nice too. And I love that it has these nice big wheels on it. So you can easily move this around if you need to based on the sun and where you want it to be. I love that it has a shelf here because I can put all my garden tools here, or um, my watering can, anything here, or just really pretty decorative things. Yes, I'm excited to get this filled up. It holds about 2.5 cubic feet of soil. So I'm going to get this filled up and put some of my seedlings in here and get it started. So now I have everything planted and it's just so nice. This is so nice. This is in the front of my house and it's really easy to come out here and based on the sun, like where I want to move it and just move it around. And yes, it's just so easy. You can put decorative things underneath here. I find I need my little water pourer here so that I can easily just give my plants some water, and it just makes having a little garden really doable and really easy. So if you're somebody that's overwhelmed by having a garden or where to start, this is a great little bed to have. It's a good bed for sure. Great for lettuce. I have some lettuce in here and I have a couple broccoli. It's nice and big. So yeah, I can do cut and come again with my lettuce and have a few broccoli in here and put some herbs. So yes, I give this a 10 out of a 10. It's a great addition to my house.